this light through Amazon. LUYED automotive LED for the Toyota 4runner reverse light. Let's open and see what we got. Seems like nice quality, and 4 LEDs are here and bunch of on the side. Nice. Let's install and see. This is the light, backup lights. Oh my goodness, nothing. And this is the throwing ratio, nothing. So let's install the LED and try. The panel is very easy and very simple. We have two hooks over here, but here is a clip, so we will pull this panel from here. So use any plastic tool and put it in. Try the head. Let me show. There you go. All right, once you get it, push towards yourself and pull it like this, and you see there's two hooks that it goes over here. And then what you have to do, so the bottom one, this is actually a signal. The brake light and the red light is actually LEDs. Already the signal goes through here, and this is the one for the reverse lighting. Okay, I moved it towards this side anti-clockwise, and take the bulb out. Little, oh, okay, here you go. That's a pretty big bulb. All right, nice. This is 2020 Toyota 4runner, and what I figured out that the headlights are pretty good in this car. So let's see. Oops. Okay, just pull, and this is Koito, Japan. That's the beauty. All right, so I will install this bulb, but I'm not gonna close this panel because sometimes we have to change the polarity. I mean the voltage thing. So let's put it in. That's very nice. Hold it like this within 2 fingers and push the bulb in. This bulb was actually half of the way, so this is a little longer bulb. I hope it will go inside easily. Wow, it's just simple. I will do the same thing on the other side and get back to you. Look, a little bit improvement, but it's not like a very big improvement because my car is not on. That's why it's making noise. This is a reverse camera on the back, and I can easily tell that there is an improvement in a view. And before it was yellow and it's white, yes, and it's rain over there, and it's a pretty good reflection coming because it's white, so it's reflect pretty well through white on white. So I can see that it is a good improvement, but not a very good improvement. It's only 10% improvement. Yep, so it's only 10% improvement. Whatever you're seeing on the camera is little bit bright on the camera, but it's pretty good. I can say it's like a moonlight. It's not like pretty white, it's like a good moonlight. So it's 10% improvement with the stock halogen bulbs. It's not that great or big improvement, but it's only 10% improvement. And one more thing, that these bulbs are longer. I'm not Time will tell how these perform, because these bulb size were longer, and maybe due to the bumps, it possible it will might fell down inside in a enclosure. All right, so this was the review of these LED bulb from the back, from the reverse lighting. Okay, all set. Thank you.